Hi there, George here from Thames Valley Windows. Today I'd like to introduce to you the Vision20, which is an ultra slim 20mm slider that we've recently installed at this property. Let's have a little look and see what it's all about. As you can see, the door presented here is in a beautiful RAL 9001 finish. We removed the previous timber design in situ alongside brickwork removal to open up this space and create an elegant design. At first glance, you'll notice the ultra slim 20mm interlock, designed to minimise sightlines and maximise light, offering a near frameless appearance that blends seamlessly with any architectural setting. The one that you see here on display is in cream, although it's also available in over 200 RAL colours to complement your property. The Vision20 can be supplied in either a double or triple track configuration, depending on the scale and movement requirements of your project. So whether you're working with a smaller opening or a larger expanse of glass, this system adapts with ease. Combined with the ability to embed both the outer frame and head, you can achieve one of the most seamless, virtually frameless sliding systems available on the market today. It's perfect for those seeking to make most of their views without compromising on design. Beyond the aesthetics, it's also about performance. The Vision20 supports panels of up to 2.5 metres wide by 3 metres high, offering vast expanse of glass to flood your space with natural light. And with glass-to-glass corner options and movable corner configurations, you can truly open up your space, creating striking transition between outdoor and indoor living. Whether you're designing a new build or transforming an existing property, the Vision20 in any RAL colour adds a soft, elegant tone that complements both modern and traditional finishes. It's subtle, warm and timeless, pairing beautiful with brick, timber or render facades or either stone. So in summary, the Vision20 is not just a door, it's a statement piece in refined engineering.